Okay, okay, we've got major issue here. Uh, right, I'll come back to that in a minute. Right, guys, do I have sound now? Okay, sound there. What about on TikTok? Do we have sound on TikTok? Please let me know if I've got sound on TikTok. Um, yeah, I'm in a course at the minute, so I've got Zoom on one thing, I've got OBS in here and TikTok Studio here, and none of it was working and it all confused everything. So I do apologize. Finally got there, but now I've got to somehow get back into that room in 45 minutes. I think I've just lost the link. So anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll get there. Um, so look, I am gonna put my sell stop underneath the low of the 30-minute candle. Let me just adjust the 10 pip target. That's no, there we go. That's better. Okay, so why are we looking at this? So first things first, what is a breakout strategy? The breakout strategy is where support has been formed and then we have a candle closure below it. So first things first, let's identify the support. Let me see if I can find customize. No, okay, no worries. I was just going to look for something. So we identify support here. Okay, we can see why is it support? Because we've had a seller candle followed by a buyer candle. Then we've had new resistance form. So buyers, if we're going to look for buys, I want to see a close above here. Sells, we're already got our sell stop in place with a sell stop below the low of the current candle. So we're using a flip style entry here on the basis that we've had a deep retracement after we've had a close below previous support, and we are looking for this current bullish candle to flip bearish. Now, it needs to happen quickly, otherwise we're going to cancel the order just before the news comes out, and then we'll let the news come out, and then we'll reassess how we're going to look at taking an opportunity. Disso sending me spiritual strength now. Thank you, mate. I needed it. Commander in Chief, good afternoon, sir. How are you? Uh, so, look, it's a matter of now just patience. We wait for our setups, we trade accordingly to our rules, and if the setup gets invalidated, we cancel the order. So, we have our flip entry here. Now, we obviously have big news out in 14 minutes. So, I need to make sure that we are going to be break even before the news comes out. I was stuck on your other stream, which isn't working. Oh yeah, I could see you there, but I couldn't do anything about it. I don't know what was happening. I think I was on too many different platforms all at once, and none of them and they all decided to crash. So it's where we are. We're here now. What are we saying? 35.90, 35.80 after the figures. Yeah, maybe. I mean, listen, yesterday, as I was saying, gold has done exactly what I said. Rally, take a lower high, and then coming down, and then we've broken yesterday's lows. So that's good. The question is, what's going to happen now? Preference would be for a spike on the news, and then I look to sell it. That is what I'm going to look for. Um, if we can just drop, brilliant. I'll take the sell right now ahead of the news. But on the news, if we get a spike up, brilliant. I'll be looking for sells. If it just drops, depending how far it drops, I might just ignore any potential setups. Um, yeah, so I think the move after the figures will be down. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, Gold Trader. I still think there's a good chunk of the move to go. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see it go. If we see it go up first, I'll look to sell the low of the news candle. it goes down first and then we get a relief rally, I'll look to sell. But like I said, today's going to be a short stream. I've only got an hour. I do have to head back. In fact, I've only got till about 150, and then I have to go, guys, because I am in the middle of a course. So I do apologize for that. So if you just hear me go, guys, I've got to go. I do apologize. Um, where did I send the link? I just realized. Did I send it? Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Lightweight. Yeah, I know. Lightweight. Man, I'm getting pulled from every pillar and post there is right now. This the course, the event is a 4-day course, and my missus is away. I just tried to get some cover for the weekend to help with the little one. That's just failed miserably. So I'm going to be spinning multiple plates this weekend. Cooking, cleaning, birthday parties, kids clubs, doing a course. How is going to be an eventful weekend. I won't even know the weekend's been. It's just going to surpass me. It's going to be literally like time travel this weekend. Have we got any new traders in? Guess not. Big news today. Anna, do you have a sell stop? Yeah, I do have a sell stop in. Um, it's not going to be, I will be cancelling it in about 5 minutes. So 125, if you've not triggered and hit TP1, I'm cancelling it. Yeah. Can we see MT4? Oh, yeah. YouTube can't, but TikTok can. Sorry, guys. I was all flustered trying to get a new YouTube set up. Thanks, Simon. I was like, I thought you were being a bit pedantic there, saying, "Can we see MT4?" Because I'm on MT5. YouTube can see it now. I've literally just changed it. So here we are. Right, who's in, guys? Any new people on today, or is it just the old faithful? Now it is going to be a shorter session. Uh, so if we can, I'm not doing anything on a close above here now, just because the news is coming. So the price of gold is 36.22. I've got 4 minutes left before I cancel this order. 4 minutes left before I cancel this order. Okay. Now, as I'm Zahira, welcome back. Nice to see you back. I recognize the name. So look, these are the areas of interest for me. But right now, I've got that sell stop in underneath the current bullish candle that's forming. In the anticipation that we're going to see the market drop ahead of the news on this. If you look at it here, if it stays like this and this hour candle closes like this, I won't be online. But if it does, well, in fact, we know it's not going to close like this with the CPI data that's coming out. Hall Brothers Wine. Oh, guys, if you're online right now, there's massive discounts at Hall Brothers Wine. They've just joined. Huge discounts. I think it was it 50 or 60% off all bottles. Dear. But guys, on another note, if you are UK based and you do like a little splash of wine, You just check on the Hall Brothers wine that's just popped up in TikTok there. Amazing suppliers, great prices. So free wine, I'm off. Yeah, I was gonna say. So yeah, check them out, guys. And no, I don't get any commissions. Um, all right, I'm just gonna delete that order now. So you buying or selling CPI? Richie Gem, good, great questions. Um, right now, I'm not doing anything. I did have a sell stop placed. My preference, as I mentioned at the beginning of the live stream, is I'd like to see gold spike on the news, and then we'll look to try and take a sell if possible. But obviously, it all depends what the news is going to be. Um, Hey, Coach, how you doing? Now, guys, if this is your first time here, um, today's session is really, really cut short because I'm on a course. And there's not going to be a live stream tomorrow, so no live stream tomorrow, guys. I do apologize. Um, but I will see if I can find something for us to trade uh, after the news. If not, we'll be uh, we'll be back on Monday next week. So yeah, it is going to be a short session today. 5 minutes for the news. 5 minutes for the news, and then we can start to make a decision on what we're going to do. But like I said, preference is we see a spike on the news, and then I'll be looking to sell the low of the news candle. But if we don't get that, we'll just wipe our hands. It's been a hey Mark, how's you? Shemless, how are you, mate? Um, are you well? Oh God, what? Oh shit, have I missed it? Sorry guys. Where is it? Uh, bear with me a second, guys. We've got 4 minutes. Okay. What am I looking for? So I just want to see the news event. Um, will it be a sell of the hourly low if news spikes up first? No, it'll be of the next new candle. So that'll be the 30 or the 15 minute. Makes no odds. They're both going to be the same open. So I just want it to spike up, and then we will be taking the lows. Okay. I'm pretty much done until Monday too. Yeah. Look, I mean, ultimately today is going to be a monster move. The question is which way, what's the, how are the institutions going to take the data? Every bit of data that's been coming out has been repackaged and revised down. So it's we all know that the price cut, the the markets have priced in a rate cut for September. The question is the data going to keep getting worse? If it keeps getting worse, you're obviously going to get Trump keep bashing Powell. Um, I don't think that's going to make any difference to Powell's decision, but obviously the data will. I feel with action of the market today, price will drop after the figures and spike back up 50%. Yeah, a bit of a dead cat bounce potentially, but whatever it does and however it gets there, I won't be doing anything this afternoon. I'm going to be full eyes peeled on the course stroke event that I'm participating in. But I will, like I say, I'm fully focused on this right now. We've got where are we? 1 minute. 1 minute until the news, guys. 1 minute until the news. 1 minute until the news, and I'll be looking to trade to fade the news. So I want to see a spike up. If I see a spike up, I'm going to sell the low of the news candle low. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So remember, the way that I trade news is slightly different to the way that I will be trading traditional systems. The breakouts, the false breaks, the BPCs, the range trades, slightly different. The news, I always like to see the initial move, and then based on my market trends or my analysis, I will then say, right, this is what I want to do. So if the news spikes up, I will look to sell the low of the candle. If the news spikes down and continues to go down, then we get a 5 minute candle push up. I'll sell the low of the 5 minute candle because the way I'm seeing this market is I'm bearish. I'm bearish, that's my opinion. We've got 5 seconds to go, so let's see what happens. So I'm looking for, okay, no, it's not. Okay, we'll get rid of that for now. Doesn't know which way it wants to go. So I'm just leaving it on the 5 minute candle for now. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a sell stop. Where am I? Underneath where it was. Now, I'm not doing anything yet. I'm just leaving it there. Okay, so I'm literally looking for it to break the low of where it opened. So yes, it went down first. Okay, I'm gonna drop that order in now. Okay, partial TP, I'm going to put down just here. So that's 20. I'm just going to move it to 20 pips. I don't care if it keeps going up. I have zero opinion of it still going up. If it keeps moving higher, I just cancel the order. All right, it makes no difference. Let me just see what the numbers were. Initial, okay, CPI 0.4. So inflation's higher month on month. Core is flat and year on year is as expected. Initial claims surged to 263,000 from 237. Expected was 235. So we're getting the move higher, but we'll see what's so everything's coming as forecast. CPI month on month was up 0.1%, and unemployment claims rose by 28K. Hmm. Just gonna leave this where it is for now. Current price is 37, so it spiked on the news. Okay, I'm canceling this order now, and I'm gonna see. Okay, if the next 5 minute candle, I'm just I need it. I want it to stay in this area. If it stays in this area, ideally, I want to see the next 5 minute candle push up. I'm a seller of this market, right, guys? I'm a seller of this market. I'm not interested in these buys. I want to see the next 5 minute candle push up and take the high of this candle if possible. If it does, I'll sell the low of the current of the next 5 minute candle. If it's just going to drop, I'll put the sell stop back in where it was. So we have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Ideally, for my better entry, I want to see the next, I want to see it close somewhere here. I want to see the next candle push up, and we'll sell the low of the next candle. So price is at 33 right now. So we dropped about, it got to a high of 40. Yeah, I mean, look, to be fair, mate, it's not even clear for me, and I'm sat right in front of the screen. I've got 10 minutes and I need to go, so I can watch this candle and the next 5 minute candle. So it's in the zone for me. It's in the zone. All right, one more minute. There we go. Next candle should be opening. All right, break the highs. I want it to break the highs. Right. All right, if it breaks the highs, I'm gonna, okay, so it's gonna, oh, wrong lot size. Shit. Okay, so let's pull that down there and open trade. So listen, I am looking for this market to reverse. It's created a bottom wick, then it's broken the highs. So I'm looking for it to do a triple move. So basically, if it doesn't happen on this candle, I'm canceling the order, and I won't be placing any more trades because I can't manage it. Oh no, I've not done. So 3 minutes. All right, gold is what's happened to the Nasdaq? Nasdaq's taken a dive, pulling back a little bit. DAX 24 points up, but taken a dive. Everything's just sort of spun a little bit. Gold is now $2 up on the day. Gold is $2 up on the day after being $29 down. Will it completely reverse again and break the lows, or are we going to see the buyers for gold remain? Now, I'm going to leave gold buys alone until tomorrow, to be fair, guys. I'm going to cancel this. I don't see it dropping, but you never know. Market hasn't liked that data at all. This is why I do not trade figures today. I would have been wrong. Yeah. I mean, look, so let's see what happens here because we've got about 6 minutes. Maybe we will trigger. Oh, could we get the move we're looking for? Let's just put another one in just in case. 250. There we go. And here we go. Oh, didn't quite trigger. Got close, guys, but not quite. So if you see a blue 70 in the top right hand corner, I'm just going to hit stop loss at entry. I never try and understand the moves after data anymore. Oh, that was a nasty little slip. There we go. All right, stop loss at entry. Let's get ready. So we're in now, yeah. How are we doing for time? Terrible. Uh, yeah, sorry guys, I can't answer questions just yet. Let's just put this here. Hmm. Come on, let's fade this move. Eyes are going. 3, 2, 1. Come on. We're like 3 minutes for this damn thing to move because I've got to get back to my event. Come on. Okay. I've just put stop. Oh, it didn't work. All right, stop loss to entry. There we go. TP1, guys. TP1. We shoot, we score, we have another win online. And just bring it down a little bit. Lock in so there's no spreads. And there we go. There's 25 pips. Listen, guys, we're just going to keep hitting the ball out of the park in these sessions or what? You tune in, I'll give you pips. What more can you ask for? So we scaled out at 10 pips, we scaled out at 25 pips, and now whatever happens, happens. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. Let's just update the results. So guys, while I'm just updating the results, just let me know how many of you had some nice pips there, please. Hit the likes, hit the share, do whatever you need to do. But that was another banging trade. Lovely 37 pips. Yeah, let's keep going. I'm just gonna keep it running for a little while because I think we can sneak 50 pips out of this. And all right, let's get ready. I don't bloody text isn't allowing me to change. Okay, I'll try and okay, let's have getting close to 40 pips. There we go, 40 pips banked half. Okay, I have to go now, guys. I really do apologize, but I will try and update my text to 15 wins. Win-win chicken dinner. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. YouTube, take care, guys. I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna end broadcast. It's probably gonna get pinged at entry price anyway, but we've done 10, 25, and 40 pips. There we go. Bye, guys. Take care. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Don't forget, give us a follow.